Good morning everyone. I am Merena, working as assistant professor in Merena College of Engineering for Women. Okay, today we are going to see the topic as blockchain technology. Okay, first of all we know about blockchain technology, why the blockchain technology was introduced. Likewise, we are going to see now. Okay, so there are so many technologies are invented nowadays, but the new technology was introduced to overcome some problems. We are giving some solution for problems. So that purpose only we are using the new technologies. Okay, likewise the blockchain technology was introduced to give some security for some problems. So that purpose only we are using the blockchain technology. Okay, so majorly the blockchain technology was introduced for security purpose alone. Majorly. Okay, we are going to see one example. So how the blockchain technology has going to use like that. Okay, so I am in India, myself A, and my friend was present in USA. Okay, so here I need to transfer money from USA to India, like $500. Okay, so my friend has to send money to me. Okay, so if we are sending money means nowadays we are using the bank to transfer the amounts. How we call it as a wire transfer. Okay, so that wire transfer will take at least 3 days or 5 days to transferring the money from USA to India. Okay, so if that bank we call it as a centralized server. Without bank we can't transferring the money from one person to another person. So in that time, the time also delay and it will take transaction fees, service charge and conversion of money. So these are all presenting in that wire transfer means. So for 500 rupees, if we are wire transfer means it will finally we are going to receive 490 or 495 rupees only. But in that wire transfer, if we are using the blockchain network means that for 500 rupees we are going to receive 499. So here it will take only transaction fees alone. There was no any service charge and conversion money. Okay, so this blockchain technology was introduced in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. So what purpose he was introduced in this means to transferring money like bitcoins. Okay, so bitcoin is a digital currency. That digital, if you are using digital currency means we have to give high security. So that purpose the blockchain technology was introduced. Okay. This is the some basic example here. Okay, so now we are moving to what is blockchain. So like in block we are having ledger. Okay, so ledger means, for example, if you are going to hospital or college, wherever we are moving, we have to fill the data in that ledger. So ledger means like one of the paper. So in the paper we are filling the data. Okay, so likewise there are so many blocks are there. In blocks there are ledger is there. In ledger only we have to enter in the data. Okay, so here this block has been connected to a chain. So okay, so in this every blocks having data and a timestamp. So timestamp means in which time I will sending money. Likewise, this block has been noted in the ledger. For example, if I am in one day, the 15 transaction is there means every block this first block contain 5 transaction up to 1 to 5, and with the next block 6 to 10 is there. Okay, so if one ledger like paper, the one page was completed means we are moving to the next page. In hospitals, paper means we are moving like that. But in blockchain, the blocks having ledger, in the block the ledger was completed means same like that it will moving to the another block to storing the data here. Okay, so up to 1 to 5 I will filling this data in first block. There are so many blocks are there. In every block, if one block is completed means it will moving to the another block. That next transaction about storing in the next blocks. Okay, so here there are so many blocks are there I said already. Okay, how we have to find? Here 1 to 5 is completed. In this 11 to 15, here 6 to 10. So these blocks in blocks, the transaction was stored like this. But we don't know what is the continuation of after 5th. So here they are giving the some hashing values. Every block have one hash value. We call it as a cryptographic key. That hash value we call it as a cryptographic key. Okay, so this for example, this first block I am giving as A, B, C. This is the hash value for this block. Then next block 6 to 10 I will giving as D, E, F, G, H, I for third block. So here this time I will giving the hash values here for every blocks. But this first block will be the hash value I have given to the previous hash value to the second block. So here also I am going to give A, B, C for previous hash value for the new block, and new block will be generated one hash value, that is DEF. Likewise only every block having hash values. The first block having only one hash value, and the second block going to have one previous hash value and the new hash value for that block. If in this place any hacking was possible, any hacking will be occur means if one hacker will hack this 6 to 10 transaction blocks. So in that time the hacker will hack this DEF only, but he don't know what is that before block. So that hacker need to hack this previous block also and the present block also. So it was very difficult to hack the block. Okay. So here if once in block we enter the data means it will never change. So it is immutable. So finally blockchain has given high security and it was immutable and it having the timestamp also. And here if transferring the data means the in between no server is there. So in every blockchain network there are 100 nodes are there, means the 100 nodes, the 100 people also both client and server. So we call it as a blockchain is a decentralized and peer-to-peer network. Thank you.